Want to know how to add your chats to your favorites or bookmark them in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Dola.com on your web browser, or you can just simply download that. So you can just simply install it. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch that. So once I've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, here on the left side, you should be seeing various stats on the chat history that you can choose from. So once you hover on it, you should be seeing this three dot icon right here. And once you're under this three dot icon, you should be seeing various options. Now, in order to favorite it or bookmark it, here you should be seeing bookmark right here. And once that is done, you can just simply select the chats that you want to bookmark and then select bookmark chat, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily bookmark your chats in Dola. So you can just simply check it as well. So we have also created a video on how to check a bookmark, so make sure to watch that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.